Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how to delete your account from Messenger on Android. Now, here's the thing. Messenger is connected to your Facebook account. So deleting Messenger means you'll need to deactivate or delete your Facebook account too. Let me show you how. All right, first thing, open the Messenger app on your Android phone. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the bottom right corner to open your menu. Now, look for Settings and tap on it. Now scroll down all the way till you see Account Center. Tap on it, and then you'll see your account settings. Okay, once you're in Account Settings, scroll down and tap on Personal Details, and look for Account Ownership and Control. Tap on Deactivation and Deletion. You'll see two options here, Deactivate Account and Delete Account. If you just want to stop using Messenger temporarily, choose Deactivate Account. But if you want to permanently delete everything, select Delete Account and tap Continue to Account Deletion. Keep in mind, deleting your Facebook account also deletes your Messenger account since they're connected. You won't be able to use Messenger anymore and all your messages will be gone. Choose a reason for deletion if prompted and then tap on Continue. Facebook will ask you to enter your password to confirm. Type it in and tap Continue. You'll have 30 days to change your mind before everything is permanently deleted. And that's it. Your Messenger account is now scheduled for deletion. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.